Shining Fates ETB. Super excited. I'm really hoping we get some awesome pulls in this ETB. So, let me know down in the comments below what you think I might get. And make sure you like the video, share with all of your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Oh, and check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/Bucky'sHouse. Awesome, we got a little mail today. Super excited. We have a mystery pack sent in from our friends over at MHG Photography. Super excited. So let's go ahead and start the video off with the opening of the mystery pack. Alright, so if you're wondering about MHG Photography, you can pretty much get all of your photography needs over there. And you can find them on Facebook, facebook.com/MHGphoto3. Also, you can email them at mhgphotography3@gmail.com. Alright, let's go ahead and see what they sent us today. Alright. They sent us a Pokemon 12 posters. And that's who sent it. MHG Photography. Zoom in a little bit on that. There we go. You can have all of your photography needs done with them. They are amazing, awesome prices, and excellent customer service. There is the different posters that it comes with. That's pretty cool. Pikachu, Mewtwo, Psyduck, Go Big. Wow, that is awesome. We truly appreciate it. For the video, we're gonna do the Shining Fates ETB. Yes, we are hoping for some amazing pulls. Really. There's a few cards we haven't pulled yet. Of course, you all know we're still searching for that Charizard. Still searching. Can we get it? We get it. I hope so. At some point, we should get it. Alright, so there is the code card for you guys. And you all see promo card. But just in case you haven't, there it is. And it comes with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 packs. 10 packs. Can we pull some fire? Can we pull some fire today? I hope so. I really hope so. I'm going to start off with the code card for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy that I give you the code card every single video, and I hope you use it as well. Nicky, Horsey, Snow, More People, More Pickle, Techno, Energy, Luxio, Gym Trainer, Horsey, and Hollow Rare Lily. Hollow Rare Lily. Alright. That's alright. We got 9 more packs. 9 more. Let's see if we can pull some fire today. Code card. Start off with the spinner. Coffin. Blast Sphere. go ahead and still leave that right. Beautiful. Alright. Got to say it. We got to say it. That's super, super exciting. Let's see. We have some more awesome finds. Code card. And we're gonna start off with a glass here. Cactus. Coffin. Buzzle. Spinneret. Energy. Rotom. Eldegoss. Manphy. And Manphy. Manphy and Manphy. That's funny. That's funny. Alright. Let's move on past that. That was pretty nice. That was pretty nice. Alright. There's the code card. Start off with the Horsey. Snow. More Pico, more Pepper. Cacno. Shuttle. Energy. Trappish. Primarant. Rusty Sword. Oh, that's fire, folks! Oh, that's fire! Grimmsnarl be shiny. Grimmsnarl be shiny. Set that up. Beautiful card. Beautiful. Alright. So, you guys having any luck finding anything cool at the stores? I hope so. I really hope so. I hope that Target not selling Pokemon cards isn't hindering you guys from finding any. Hopefully, you're able to find some pretty cool Pokemon today. There's a lot of it floating around. There's a code card. Start off with the Eevee, Buzzle, Yama, Trappish, Nickit, Energy, Gym Trainer, Primarant, Trappish. Oh, that's fire, folks! More Pecco, B. More Pecco, B. Go ahead and just leave that right up. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, everyone. We have 5 more packs. 5 more packs. And we pull some fire. Another shiny. Another shiny to the party. That would be pretty cool. Another shiny. There's a code card. Alright. Start off with the Gillespie, Cacnut, Shuttle, Eevee, Nickit, Energy, Eldegoss, Luxio, Ball Guy. Oh, that's fire, folks! Cinccino, shiny. Got another shiny. Got another shiny. Ooh. Exciting. There it is. Beautiful. Got another shiny. We have 4 more packs. 4 more packs of the Shining Fates. Hopefully, we get that Charizard. Hopefully, we get that Charizard. That'd be pretty cool. There's the code card. Another one that would be pretty cool. Lapras VMAX or Ditto VMAX. Either of them would be pretty cool. Let's start off with the Pico, Buzzle, Nickit, Cacnut, Cuffin, Energy, Volga, Darktrip, Eldegoss. Oh, that's fire, folks! Primarant, commemorate week. Alright. That is awesome. Having some pretty good hits today. Some pretty good hits. Alright, we have 3 more packs. 3 more packs. Let's see what they hold. Let's see what kind of fire they hold. There is the code card. Start off with the Shinx. Horsey. Yum. More people, more Pekko. Coffin. Energy. Primarine. Rusted Shield. Oh, that's fire, folks! Oh, that's fire. Galarian. Berserker. I messed that up. That's alright. You guys do it. There it is. That. Beautiful. Alright. We're down to our last 2 packs. The last 2 packs. Let's see if we can have some last pack magic. Last pack magic. That would be awesome. Wait until the very end for us to pull. Start off with the Yama, Trappish, Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee, Energy, Eldegoss, Primarine, Grunky, Yama. Grunky and a Yama. Back-to-back Eldegoss. That was pretty great. Neon Mega is a rare. Alright. Last. Our very last. And it holds the chunk. There's the code card. Alright. Start off with the Rock, Trappish, Snow, Ronky, Spinarak, Energy, Rusty Sword, Eldegoss, Starcher, Horsey, and Indeedee Hollow. Indeedee Hollow. Well, we didn't get it. However, we did manage to pull a couple good. We have 4 Pekko V, Primarine V, Galarian, Berserker, Cinchino, Rowlet, Shiny, Grimmsnarl V, beautiful card, beautiful card. Alright, well, if you didn't see in the beginning, our friends over at MHG Photography sent us this. So, we'll have a couple of the posters hanging around, possibly. We'll see. They look amazing, so I want to thank you so much, MHG Photography. So make sure you guys go and check them out on Facebook. It is going to be facebook.com/MHGPhoto3. There it is. Alright, everyone. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So make sure you like the video, comment on the video, share it with all of your friends, hit that subscribe button, and check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/fuckusout. Everyone, I hope you have